Well, hello, my name is Kathy Gornick. I am the co-founder and president of Thiel Audio Products, based in Lexington, Kentucky. And most of the people who are familiar with our company know that we are well known for making wonderful high-fidelity loudspeakers. We've been in business about 32 years, and recently we have decided to partner with a wonderful company called BICOM. And we are not actually moving our company in a new direction, but we like to think that we're expanding our product offering through this joint venture to bring an exciting new category of home entertainment to the market. And with that, I would like to hand the mic over to my partner, Ekin, and he can tell you a lot more about it.
Thank you, Kathy. Hello, my name is Ekin Banal. I'm the Vice President of Product Development at BICOM Incorporated. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the ZOET system. ZOET is a joint venture, as Kathy said, between BICOM and Thiel. What we bring here is a simple solution for super high-quality audio. The heart of the system is the DB1. The DB1 handles all your digital and analog audio sources. We handle DSP decoding. We take all your analog inputs, your digital inputs from Dolby to DTS, and there's a prototype that we're showing here that has 8 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs. The beauty of the system, and something that working with Thiel allowed us to do, was integrating the system with the speakers and the DB1, the heart of the system. There's constant two-way communication. If I pull a speaker cable out, and the speaker cable now is connected through Ethernet, it's telling the DB1, oh, this is the left or right speaker. I plug it in, and that speaker identifies itself, and it receives a proper stream. Each speaker identifies itself by saying there's a selector on the back saying it's a left, right, center position, and also what zone you're in. Now that we're in the digital age, each of these speakers can be on your home network as an IP address, and there's support for 64 speakers in a home network. On this side, we have the wireless solution. In a house, you can have 6 wireless speakers, and these would be used as a 5.1 wireless, or you can mix and match your wireless and Ethernet solution. So let's say you want to have a 5.1 wireless. Great, you're all set. Any more rooms that you want to add to the system, you can do that through Ethernet. But you can also mix and match, so you can have your fronts as wired, and then your rears are wireless, and you have 2 extra zones to do as wireless. A beautiful thing about having a web-enabled device is now you have a world of opportunity to access this. As you're walking around the house, we made it really easy. Via iPod Touch or a simple web-enabled device like a laptop or a tablet PC, you can fire up the web browser and control your volume and what audio input you have. Just toggle through those as well. If you want to go to another level, advanced configuration, and I know a lot of our listeners would be audiophiles that want to play and tweak things, they can go in and tweak the input names. They can play with gain on the left, right, and take it to another level of control. From a more technical perspective, we provide RS-232 control. So if you want to develop some applications, we have an open source platform that you can do all that through. Now, one thing that I believe is something that Jim was really insistent on was great bass management in the whole entire system. So if you have a stereo setup or a 5.1 setup and you add the subwoofer to that system, the dynamic bass management takes over. And what this dynamic bass management is the speakers are all a certain brand, certain model, so we know all of that in the DSP. And the DB1 is constantly saying, okay, what speaker are you? What sub are you? And we matrix all this together, look at a few parameters, and we work with Jim on this. So if you add an SS1, we know where the low frequency should be for 2 speakers. If you have a 5.1 input with an LFE level, then we know how to matrix that in too, so you have a nice low pass. You unplug the sub, and all of a sudden, we'll make it a full-range speaker, and everything's really easy to use. There's not many AV receivers out in the market that only have 3 buttons on the front. Input, mode, zone is all that the user really needs to use. And that was a key to the whole thing, and I think something the sticking point for Kathy and I too. We know the Apples of the world have made things a lot easier, but there's people that want to spend the extra money to get the beautiful sound quality you can get from Thiel speakers, and that's what we're bringing to the market right now. So if you'd like to find out more about the product, please go to thielzoet.com or liveinsidethemusic.com, and we really appreciate your time. Have a good day. Thank you.